Conversation 1, meeting someone new.
Hello, my name is Emma. What is your name?
Hi, Emma. My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Sweden. What about you?
I am from Spain.
Do you live in Spain now?
No, I live in London now. Where do you live?
I also live in London.
Really? Which part of London do you live in?
I live near the city center.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I do. It is busy, but there are many interesting places.
Do you live alone?
Oh, I live with my sister. What about you?
I live with 2 friends.
Is your apartment big?
No, it is quite small, but it is comfortable.
How long have you lived in London?
I've lived here for 2 years.
Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I use English at work. Do you work or study?
I work in a clothing shop.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like meeting different people. What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you study?
I study business.
Is your course difficult?
Sometimes, but it is interesting.
How old are you?
I am 27 years old. How old are you?
I am 25.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in June. When is yours?
Mine is in October.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 brother. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Are you the oldest?
No, I am the youngest. Conversation 2, morning routine.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you get up immediately?
No, I normally stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
What do you do after you get up?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a quick shower. What about you?
I prefer to shower in the evening.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and bread. What do you eat?
I often eat yogurt with fruit.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee in the morning.
How many cups do you drink?
I normally drink 1 cup.
Do you check your phone during breakfast?
Sometimes, but I try not to use it too much.
Do you listen to the news?
Yes, I sometimes listen to the news while I eat.
Do you plan your day in the morning?
Yes, I often make a small list.
Does that help you?
Yes, it helps me remember important things.
What time do you leave home?
I usually leave home at 8 o'clock.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus. How do you travel to university?
I usually cycle.
How long does it take?
It takes about 20 minutes.
Do you listen to music while cycling?
No, I need to concentrate on the road.
Are you usually tired in the morning?
Yes, especially on Mondays.
Do you like mornings?
Not really. I prefer evenings
Why do you prefer evenings?
because I can relax and do what I want. Conversation 3. Work and study.
What time do your classes begin?
My first class usually begins at 9.
How many classes do you have each day?
I normally have 3 or 4 classes.
Do you study every weekday?
Yes, but I have fewer classes on Fridays.
What is your favorite subject?
Marketing is my favorite subject
Why do you like marketing?
because I enjoy learning about customers and businesses.
Do you prefer studying alone or with other people?
I prefer studying with 1 or 2 friends
Why?
because we can explain difficult things to each other.
Where do you usually study?
I usually study at the library.
Can you concentrate well there?
Yes, because it is quiet. Where do you prefer to study?
I prefer studying at home.
Do you listen to music when you study?
No, I need silence.
How long do you normally study?
I study English for about 30 minutes.
Do you study English every day?
No, I study about 4 times a week.
What is most difficult for you?
Pronunciation is difficult for me.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I try to speak aloud every day.
Who do you practice with?
Sometimes I practice with my sister.
Does she speak English well?
Yes, she speaks English very well.
Does she correct your mistakes?
Yes, but she is always kind.
Are you afraid of making mistakes?
Sometimes, but I know mistakes are part of learning.
Do you write down new words?
Yes, I write them in a notebook.
Do you review them later?
Yes, I review them before going to bed.
What is your goal in English?
I want to speak naturally and confidently. Conversation 4, Food and cooking.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating at a restaurant?
I prefer cooking at home.
Why do you prefer cooking?
Because it is cheaper and healthier.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta, rice, and soup.
Are you a good cook?
I can cook simple meals. What about you?
I'm not a very good cook.
What can you cook?
I can make eggs, sandwiches, and pasta.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What is yours?
I really like chicken pasta.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy.
Do you prefer sweet or salty food?
I prefer salty food.
Do you eat dessert often?
No, only sometimes.
What is your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I try to eat vegetables with dinner.
Which vegetables do you like?
I like tomatoes, carrots, and broccoli.
What vegetables do you dislike?
I do not really like onions.
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, I usually eat fruit in the afternoon.
What is your favorite fruit?
Mango is my favorite. What about you?
I like apples and bananas.
Do you drink enough water?
Probably not. I often forget.
How much coffee do you drink?
I drink 2 or 3 cups a day.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I sometimes drink tea in the evening.
Do you go to restaurants often?
No, maybe once or twice a month.
What kind of restaurants do you like?
I like Italian and Indian restaurants.
Conversation 5. Shopping. Do you enjoy shopping?
Sometimes it depends on what I need to buy.
Where do you usually buy food?
I go to a supermarket near my apartment.
How often do you go grocery shopping?
I usually go twice a week.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, otherwise I forget things
Do you follow the list?
most of the time, but I sometimes buy extra snacks.
Do you prefer shopping alone or with someone?
I prefer shopping alone
Why?
because it is faster.
Do you buy clothes often?
No, only when I need something.
What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
I normally wear jeans, a t-shirt, and trainers.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. What is yours?
I like blue.
Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
I prefer shopping in stores.
Why do you prefer stores?
Because I can see the products and try on the clothes.
Do you ever shop online?
Yes, I
Yes,
sometimes order books or household items.
Is online shopping convenient?
yes, but sometimes delivery takes a long time.
Do you compare prices before buying something?
Yes, especially when the item is expensive.
Do you look for discounts?
Of course. I like finding good offers.
Do you usually pay with cash?
No, I normally pay by card.
Do you use self-service checkouts?
Yes, when I only have a few items.
What did you buy the last time you went shopping?
I bought bread, milk, eggs, and some fruit.
Did you buy anything unnecessary?
Yes, I bought a large bag of chocolate.
Did you eat it all?
No, not yet.
Conversation 6. Home and family. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
How many rooms does it have? And
It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a kitchen.
do you have a balcony?
Yes, we have a small balcony.
What do you keep there?
We have some plants, a table, and 2 chairs.
What is your favorite room?
My favorite room is the living room
Why do you like it?
because it is bright and comfortable.
Do you clean your home every day?
I do small tasks every day.
When do you do the main cleaning?
I usually clean on Saturday morning.
Do you enjoy cleaning?
Not really, but I enjoy having a clean home.
Who does the cooking in your home?
My sister and I both cook.
Do you eat dinner together?
Yes, we usually eat together.
What time do you normally have dinner?
We normally eat at about 7.
What do you talk about during dinner?
We talk about work, friends, and our plans.
Do your parents live nearby?
No, they live in another city.
How often do you visit them?
I visit them once or twice a month.
How do you travel there?
I usually take the train.
How long does the journey take?
It takes about 2 hours.
Do you call your parents often?
Yes, I call them several times a week.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, my family is quite big.
Do you celebrate birthdays together?
Yes, we usually have dinner and cake.
What do you enjoy doing with your family?
I enjoy cooking, talking, and watching films together.
Are family gatherings noisy?
Yes, they are usually very noisy but also fun.
Conversation 7. Free time.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching films and playing football.
How often do you play football?
I usually play once a week.
Who do you play with?
I play with some friends from university.
Do you play indoors or outdoors?
We normally play outdoors.
What do you do when the weather is bad?
We sometimes go to a sports centre.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, but I do not read every day.
What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure stories. What about you?
I enjoy mystery and detective stories.
Do you prefer printed books or e-books?
I prefer printed books
Why?
because I do not like looking at a screen for too long.
Do you listen to music often?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and quiet music.
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, but I would like to learn the piano.
Do you watch television every evening?
No, only a few times a week.
Do you prefer films or series?
I prefer series
Why do you prefer series?
because the stories are longer.
What kind of series do you watch?
I like comedy and crime series.
Do you watch them in English?
Yes, I often watch them with English subtitles.
Does that help you learn?
Yes, I learn many useful expressions.
Do you write the expressions down?
Sometimes I put them in my notebook.
Do you use them later?
Yes, I try to use them in conversations.
Conversation 8. Weekends. What do you normally do on Friday evening?
I usually relax at home after work.
Do you watch a film?
Sometimes. I also like reading or listening to music.
Do you wake up early on Saturday?
No, I usually sleep a little longer.
What time do you get up?
I normally get up at about 9.
Do you make a special breakfast?
Yes, I sometimes make pancakes.
What do you put on your pancakes?
I usually add fruit and a little honey.
Do you meet friends at the weekend?
Yes, I often meet them on Saturday afternoon.
What do you do together?
We have coffee, go shopping, or take a walk.
Do you sometimes go to a restaurant?
Yes, but not every weekend.
What do you do on Saturday evening?
I sometimes invite friends to my apartment.
Do you cook for them?
Yes, we often cook together.
What do you usually make?
We normally make pizza or pasta.
Do you stay up late?
Sometimes, but not too late.
What do you do on Sunday morning?
I usually clean my apartment.
Do you enjoy cleaning on Sundays?
No, but I like starting the week with a clean home.
Do you study English on Sunday?
Yes, but only for a short time.
Do you prepare for work?
Yes, I choose my clothes and prepare my lunch.
Do you feel sad when the weekend ends?
Sometimes, especially after a very relaxing weekend.
Do you look forward to Monday?
Not always, but I try to think positively.
What makes a good weekend for you?
Good food, enough rest and time with friends. Conversation 9. Travel. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, traveling is one of my favorite activities.
How often do you travel?
I travel 2 or 3 times a year.
Do you prefer city trips or nature holidays?
I prefer city trips. What about you?
I prefer places with beautiful nature
Why do you like nature?
because it is quiet and relaxing.
Do you prefer traveling by plane or train?
I prefer traveling by train
Why?
because I can relax and enjoy the view.
Do you travel with a lot of luggage?
No, I try to take only one small suitcase.
Do you book your trips early?
Yes, because tickets are often cheaper.
Where do you normally stay?
I usually stay in a hotel or rent an apartment.
Do you like staying in hotels?
Yes, especially when breakfast is included.
What do you do when you visit a new city?
I walk around, visit museums, and try local food.
Do you use a map?
Yes, I use a map on my phone.
Do you ever get lost?
Yes, but sometimes getting lost is interesting.
Do you take many photographs?
Yes, I take photographs of buildings, food, and nature.
Do you buy souvenirs?
Yes, I usually buy something small.
What was your last holiday?
I went to Italy with my sister.
Which city did you visit?
We visited Rome.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was beautiful and the food was excellent.
Where would you like to travel next?
I would like to visit Portugal
Why Portugal?
because I want to see the beaches and try the food.
Conversation 10. Evening routine and goals.
What do you do when you come home from work?
I change my clothes and relax for a few minutes.
Do you start cooking immediately?
Emma. No, I normally begin cooking at about 6.
What do you usually cook on weekdays?
I cook simple meals such as rice, pasta, or soup.
What do you do after dinner?
I clean the kitchen and make some tea.
Do you go for a walk in the evening?
Yes, when the weather is pleasant.
Do you walk alone?
Sometimes, but I prefer walking with my sister.